How to fix YouTube app not opening in your phone. When I click the YouTube app does not open in my phone. Let's see how to fix this issue. First, you need to click the settings icon. Next, in this screen, you will need to open Apps tab. And here, in this app screen, click the Manage Apps tab. In Manage Apps screen, you will need to click YouTube tab. And next, click the Storage tab, which will open this screen. Here, in this screen, you need to delete the user data and the cache. Next, you need to click the User Data tab, which will slide this screen from the bottom. Select Clear All Data from the screen. And again, here click OK to confirm all the files, settings, data, cache will be deleted permanently. Next, you need to update the YouTube app in Google Play Store or App Store. Now, you can go back to your YouTube app and open it to confirm the YouTube app opening problem is solved in phone. I hope you liked the video. Please like, comment and share my video if it was helpful, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get updates for more videos.